Hi, my loves. That's Giddy Girl here again. Welcome to another episode of tutorial with me. Today we are starting Turban. And before we dive right into tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and share this particular video. And of course, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The measurements for this particular turban style is a 50-50. First, to make your pleats, as you can see in my video, and place over your client's head. You want to arrange your pleats diligently. No pleat has to stuck out. You have to make sure that you take the same pleats all through. Don't be in a hurry to finish up your gilly. That is what will help you with the neatness. As you can see in my video, I'm still arranging my pleats. Trace the pleats all to the back and cross neatly at the back. It's a 50-50, so you can just cross anyhow. After crossing neatly at the back, trace your first hand. As you can see in my video, you can decide to trace the pleats that you've taken all the way from the back, or you make new pleats. You can do that anyhow. Just ensure that the pleats you are taking, it is equal. You are not taking small pleats and you are not taking premature pleats. Arrange your pleats properly so that they can look as neat as possible. So you come to the other side. What you've seen me done on my right hand side, do the same on your left hand side. Make sure that you are not taking premature pleats, you are not taking small pleats, guys, and make sure that your pleats are looking as aligned as possible.
A love story written in the skies. In your love my spirit flies. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above.
After that, my love, make sure you cross neatly at the middle while your client is holding both ears for you. After crossing neatly at the middle, emphasis on at the middle. Just tuck your excess fabric in, and that is it, guys. That is it.
Everyone, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore. In your love, life finds its peace. Every wall, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore. It's beat of each you are dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift. In the still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats.
Follow the process in the video, guys, and you are going to have a very beautiful turban. I totally love this turban, and I hope you do also. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go to the subscribe button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.